to sign into government sites via Interac sign-in service. So let's get started. If the government service you are trying to access offers Interac sign-in service as a login option, select login with a sign-in partner. It may also say sign in with your bank. Select your financial institution from the list of sign-in partners provided. You will then be redirected to the login page of your selected financial institution. Once your web browser redirects you to your financial institution's sign-in page, you will be prompted to complete the login process. Interac will not have any access to your login information or any financial information. After logging into your online banking service, some government services may require multi-factor authentication before further access is granted. This could involve you inputting a one-time code that will be delivered via email, phone call, or text message, depending on your selection. Once the authentication process is successful, you will be redirected to the government service to begin using it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.